Hey, you call this food?
My sandwich tastes like a fried boot.
My sandwich is a fried boot.
Got an idea about who I am now, chumps?
No! Me money!
SpongeBob Bob! What the hell is that? What are you doing in here, you idiot? Where's SpongeBob? And what'd you do to me kitchen?
2 seconds later.
Get out of there, Pinhead! You're gonna die! FBI, open up!
Mr. Krabs, you're being sued for destroying the city.
$10,000? What the f? I ain't paying this sh**.
You're under arrest, Krabs.
You can't arrest me. You didn't even have a warrant.
Actually, we do. You're under arrest.
You'll never catch me, pigs.
What did you say?
Ooh, ow, ooh! Mr. Squidward, what did I just watch?
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs, come to Daddy!
Click to watch more Shrek.
Ooh, where do I click?
No, not you, donkey.
Oh, but it sounds fun.
Only on DreamWorks TV.